ISO/IEC 17025 2017 Lead Auditor course. Good day and welcome. In the modern laboratory environment, where accuracy, traceability, and reliability are non negotiable, the role of a competent auditor has become increasingly critical. Whether you operate a testing laboratory or a calibration facility, compliance with ISO/IEC 17025 2017 is essential, not only for accreditation but for sustaining technical credibility and customer trust. This is where structured, globally recognized auditor training becomes indispensable. Importance of ISO/IEC 17025. Let us see this. ISO/IEC 17025 2017 is the international standard that specifies the general requirements for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories. It is built on two key pillars: management requirements aligned with quality management system principles, technical requirements focused on competence, validity of results, and measurement traceability. The standard ensures that laboratories generate valid and reliable results, maintain technical competence, operate under a robust quality framework. Accreditation to ISO/IEC 17025 is often a mandatory requirement for regulatory acceptance and international recognition. Role of a lead auditor. A lead auditor plays a strategic role in ensuring compliance and control improvement. Key responsibilities include planning and conducting internal and external audits, evaluating compliance against ISO/IEC 17025 requirements, identifying non-conformities and risks, driving corrective and preventive actions, supporting management review and decision making. A well-trained auditor not only identifies gaps but also contributes to system strengthening and operational excellence. Now, industry challenges. Despite awareness, many laboratories face recurring issues such as inadequate understanding of risk-based thinking, weak internal audit systems, poor documentation practices, ineffective corrective action processes, lack of trained and competent auditors. These gaps often result in major or minor non-conformities, delays in accreditation, increased dependency on external consultants. This highlights the need for structured competency-based auditor training. Now our course duration. To address this industry needs, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited presents the CQI IRCA UK accredited ISO/IEC 17025 2017 lead auditor course. This program is designed to develop professional auditors capable of performing first, second, and third party audits. Course coverage includes detailed interpretation of ISO/IEC 17025 2017 clauses, principles of auditing based on ISO 19011 guidelines, audit planning, execution, and reporting, identification and classification of non-conformities, root cause analysis and corrective action verification, audit communication and reporting techniques. Now, training methodology, interactive lectures, real life case studies, practical audit simulations, group exercises, and discussions. This ensures participants gain both theoretical and practical competence. Now, key benefits for individuals: gain CQI IRCA UK recognized certification, enhance career opportunities in quality and compliance, develop professional auditing skills. For organizations, build strong in-house audit capability, reduce reliance on external auditors, improve compliance and audit readiness, strengthen overall quality management system performance. Flexible delivery model. Understanding operational constraints, URGS International offers in-house training at your facility or virtual mode. Mutually agree dates and timings to suit your schedule. Ideal for minimum 5 to 6 participants per batch. Maximum 10 participants are allowed by IRCA in a batch. Customization aligned with your laboratory processes and documentations. This approach ensures maximum relevance and cost efficiency. Now, why choose URGS International? URGS stands out due to highly experienced trainers with laboratory and accreditation expertise, a strong focus on practical implementation, industry oriented training, methodology, commitment to quality, competence, and client success. We don't just train auditors, we develop competent professionals who add value to your organization. If you are looking to strengthen your laboratory's compliance framework, develop skilled internal auditors, achieve excellence in ISO/IEC 17025 implementation. Now is the right time to act. Our contact details: email us info@urgseng.com, call us or WhatsApp us to our number +917359458455. Connect with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited today and take the next step toward audit excellence and global recognition. Thank you for your time. We look forward to supporting your journey toward competence, compliance, and control improvement. Please like and subscribe our channel for further similar training and consultancy contents. Thank you.